In this video, I'm going to teach you how to dash on Terraria PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly dash in Terraria. As you can see, you are able to easily dash using a controller. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to do this. So, if you have an item that allows you to dash, you will be able to easily do it by pressing the joystick towards the side that you want to dash. So in this example here, I have the Master Ninja gear equipped, but you can use anything that gives you a dash, such as solar armor, the shield of Cthulhu, and so on. So all that you have to do when you are playing using a controller, either Xbox or PlayStation, is to double tap your joystick towards that side. So as you can clearly see, I'm able to dash. So if I want to dash to the left, I'm going to tap my left joystick 2 times to the left in quick succession. As long as you are able to do this, you will dash in that direction. Now, sadly, I don't think there is a way to bind a specific button to a dash, which would make this process extremely simple because it can get quite uncomfortable to keep dashing over and over by smashing the joystick to the side, but sadly, it seems to be the only option. So all that you have to do to dash in Terraria on a PlayStation 4 or any other console is to double tap the joystick towards the side, and you will be able to dash. Of course, you need to make sure that you have a specific item, accessory, or armor that allows you to dash equipped, because if you try to dash without having it, as you can see, nothing happens. But if I go ahead and I equip the Master Ninja gear again, I'll be able to dash. So just make sure that you have something that gives you this ability, and you will be able to do it easily by double tapping on your joystick. Just push it towards the specific side that you want to dash to, and you will see your character go over to that direction. I hope I was able to help you on how to dash in Terraria PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.